Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to go to archive on Gmail. So first, you just have to open your Gmail account and then here, in order for you to simply archive a message, you just have to click and then tap archive. Now, as you can see here, there is no such option as archive, so it's kind of hard to know where to see archive messages. Okay, so don't worry, what you're going to do here to locate your archive messages is you just have to go to all mail and then simply scroll at that specific message. And if you know the sender or the sender's details, then you can search it above. Now, you have to take a note that any email that doesn't have the inbox tag on the far left side of the email subject line is archive email. So, in order for you to simply locate or to see that email or message, you just have to go to the search bar and then type the title, the sender's detail. Okay, in order for you to locate that, because as you can see here, there are tons of messages inside all mail. These messages are from inbox, snooze, or start, or sent, or draft, or chats. So you just have to simply look and you must know the sender's details and the title in order for you to see specifically your archive email. So I really hope that this video somehow helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.